Today, we will talk about how to start sneaker reselling business. Let's have a look at the details. Step 1. Conduct comprehensive research. To build your brand as a sneaker reseller, you must have a sound knowledge of sneaker reselling. It is essential to know the kind of shoes to buy and resell, as everyday new shoe model is emerging in the market. Also, you must know which old classic models are holding importance in the market. After all, sometimes older models help you get a high profit. When you conduct extensive research, it helps you identify opportunities, make the right choices, and ultimately avoid flops. Also, you better get to know how to make a lucrative deal. Always do a thorough analysis and try the business with one pair of shoes and sell on one platform, at least in the beginning. You can check the description box for the best sneaker reselling business course. Step 2. Choose the right platform to sell your sneakers. There are plenty of platforms that allow you to sell sneakers. You can create your seller account on different platforms. Thus, you will get profit from selling across every single platform. Moreover, you will come to know about the best platform to sell. Before finalizing a platform, don't forget to weigh factors like fees, how long will it take to sell the shoes or get paid, how you will get paid, and more. You may also consider starting a blog where you can sell your sneakers directly. Blogging is more comfortable and straightforward than the various selling platforms available. Some of the popular platforms that you may consider selling sneakers include Juiced, StockX, and Flight Club. Over the years, social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram have turned into the best online selling platform for most entrepreneurs. The good thing about selling via social media platforms is that there is no fee incurred. The money you will earn won't be distributed to any third-party e-commerce platform. Stadium Goods came into existence in the year 2015 and has quickly become one of the biggest marketplaces for sneakers. The platform allows you to set prices based on market values. As soon as a buyer purchases your sneakers, you get your payment. Stadium Good does a weekly payout with an 80-20 split. Stadium Goods occasionally runs sales offers on its website. eBay is another popular e-commerce platform to sell your sneakers. The platform is quite user-friendly. You simply need to take images of your product and create a product listing. People can immediately buy at the asking price. With eBay, you get 50 free listings per month. The good thing is that eBay accepts almost all types of payment options such as PayPal, credit, or debit cards. Step 3. Set the right price. For beginners, it can be a little tricky to set the right price for the sneakers. However, you can easily overcome this issue with proper guidance. You can hire a professional to create excellent product images that will help you sell your sneakers for the right price. Step 4. Shipping preparation. Preparing your products for shipping can be another big challenge. It is advisable that before you start shipping, you may consider creating an account with USPS, United States Postal Service. They give a 20% discount on your labels. Moreover, they allow you to pick it up from your home and office. Avoid going to the post office to pay there. Step 5. Packing. As per the demand, you may have to pack and label tons of shoes. It is important to have a streamlined process right from the beginning to avoid any hassle. Don't forget that when you take more time to prepare your product, it delays the shipping process. And any delay in product shopping may have an adverse effect on customer satisfaction and your overall business. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.